function is a block of code that is written for a specific job. The function can be called by using the name of the function. Here is an example. First, define the name of the function with the def statement. The next line is the action of the function. This can be any action, but the print function is used as an example here. The last line is the call to a function. Notice how the function has brackets on the end. Between the brackets, a variable can be defined, which is used inside the function. A variable inside a function is called a parameter. Between the brackets, inside the call function, the information to store in a parameter is defined. The information inside a call to a function is called an argument. You can use multiple parameters inside a function. When arguments inside a call need to be passed in a certain order, they are called positional arguments. If the order of arguments passed to a function isn't the same as the order of parameters, the function will still be executed but will cause a so-called logical error because the output is not what is expected. To avoid sticking to an order, pass a keyword argument inside the call. A keyword argument is a name-value pair which directly links the argument to the parameter inside a function, allowing to ignore the order inside a function. Let's say a parameter inside a function always has a specific value. Then the argument can be stored directly inside the function. Both print functions work. When you don't pass arguments, Python will return an error. Python actually tells you that it's not just missing arguments, but it's missing two arguments. The return statement inside a function is used to have all the work done by the function, but the result is not shown directly. Rather, the result can be called wherever intended. Finally, an argument can be optional by making use of the if statement inside the function. Here the function looks if that argument is passed to the function from the call. If it is, it includes that argument. If it isn't, then it won't. There is a lot more to functions. This is just an intro.